Watch full episodes of JoJo and Gran Gran on the BBC iPlayer app right now.
I love hearing the birds sing, Gran Gran. It makes me really happy.
JoJo, I think it's time for a Gran Gran plan. Let's sing a song.
Who's hungry?
Let's find a Gran Gran recipe.
What are we going to bake?
Do we have what we need? Let's look and see. Butter, flour, sugar, eggs, mashed bananas for banana bread. And don't forget to add a little bit of love. So mix it up with a bit of love. Yes, mix it up with a bit of love.
Banana bread for JJ, Gran Gran.
Thank you.
And here's a bit for you, Panda.
Let's find a Gran Gran recipe. Do we have what we need? Let's look and see. Green bananas for a tasty dish. Onions and peppers, then add saltfish. And of course we need a little bit of love.
Let's eat.
So cook it up with a bit of love. Yes, cook it up with a bit of love.
I can't wait to try a green banana and saltfish.
Now come together, family, around the table as it's time to eat.
Dinner is served.
We'll take turns to share a story, tell each other about our day, say thank you for this yummy food, and think of those who are far away.
That looks wonderful. That's all the ingredients. Now it's time to mix.
Mix, 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 mix.
Mixing it together.
Mix, 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 mix. Wow!
Let's find a Gran Gran recipe. Do we have what we need? Let's look and see. Cinnamon, milk and sugar sweet. Cocoa tea for a special treat. Now don't forget to add a little bit of love.
Lovely cocoa tea.
So stir it up with a bit of love. Yes, stir it up with a bit of love. With a bit of love.
I love you, Gran Gran.
And I love you too, JoJo.
Every episode of JoJo and Gran Gran is on the BBC iPlayer app. It's super simple. Just ask your grown-up to get the app and search JoJo and Gran Gran.